wildfires, hurricanes, and tornadoes can wipe out entire communities. Add that to an already stressed construction supply and labor market. A CBS News analysis found the cost of home construction supplies across the country increased by 47% since 2016. One company says it could rebuild in a matter of weeks and for less money. They gave us a look at what could be an answer.
Just 8 weeks stand from start to finish for the walls, floors, and roof of this building to go up. 8 weeks that could be the building blocks for major change. The end result by just 11 workers, a nearly 100-unit apartment complex near Palm Beach, Florida.
We built that much faster than we would have had we done it with wood or concrete, sort of a traditional material.
And there are plans for plenty more. Former Congressman Patrick Murphy is the managing director of RENCO, the company behind the buildings.
How quickly can you turn a house out of here?
We can basically produce about 16 homes a day in this facility.
The company says it can endure 240-mile-per-hour winds, is more fire resistant than most brick and wood, and also water resistant.
Will they withstand the test of time?
They've given us such a long lifespan that the insurance on our first building is about 20% less expensive for the sort of long-term insurance.
Why is that?
It doesn't rot, it doesn't rust, pests don't eat it, right? Termites don't eat it.
What is this material made of right here?
This is made of recycled glass, recycled plastic, calcite, which is like a limestone dust.
It's a fraction of the weight of concrete.
This is so lightweight. How heavy is this?
That's about 8 pounds right there.
Compared to something like...
Which is over 40 pounds.
The blocks are glued together with an airplane adhesive designed to last hundreds of years. Color-coded blueprints make it easy for nearly anyone to build.
That actually comes together really quickly.
While the bricks are more expensive to construct up front, Murphy says decreased time and labor means cutting costs overall.
We saw this wall go up in less than 9 minutes. What does that mean for the speed in which these buildings can be assembled?
Basically means we can get a lot more product built a lot faster with unskilled workers.
New methods based on an old favorite.
So I gotta ask, did someone at RENCO just really love Legos as a child?
One of the co-founders came across a composite material that was being used for manhole covers originally and was thinking, how do I use that maybe for construction somehow? Was watching his son play with Legos. So wait a minute.
The technology debuted 14 years ago in Turkey, where more than 300 buildings, including shopping centers, townhomes, and warehouses have been built.
Your company calls this the most disruptive innovation in construction in more than 100 years, which is a big statement.
The last big breakthrough there was reinforced concrete, and that was 125 years ago. So now all of a sudden we have this new material that's displacing all of that.
Globally last year, 114 million people were displaced for natural and man-made disasters. So when I think about that, this has to be a moment of change.
Ilya Azarov is an architect who teaches sustainable construction at City University of New York.
What are the disadvantages of building this?
It limits some of your design. The product that they have is wonderful, but it only creates very boxy buildings.
But Azarov, who is not affiliated with the company, says the structural and time-saving benefits are crucial.
When I see innovation in the marketplace like this, yes, we can build to fire resistance, earthquake resistance, to hurricane force winds, tornado force winds. We have to have the guts to try new ways of doing things.
It was really fun just to even be part of this conversation about innovation and changing things and pushing something forward in an industry that they say has not been changed in a long time. And the key to this, they say, is building everything off-site because you can construct everything, and that's why it looks like Legos and toys. I mean, it really does look like childhood toys.
Yeah,
doesn't it?
I mean, you look like you were having a good time.
I was.